In this video, I'm gonna spend the next 8 hours of my life taking surveys online. I wanna see exactly how much money I can make from only taking surveys within those 8 hours, and to see if taking surveys is actually a legit way of making money online. Because I swear, it seems like every time I see an online article about how to make money online, they always mention taking surveys. And so I wanna see if this is actually a real way to make money online. I'm gonna answer that question for you right now in this video, and I'm gonna spend the next 8 hours of my precious life for you taking surveys online to see if it's worth it or not. Okay, so as far as the websites that I'll be using to take these surveys, I've got 5 on my list in total. They are Inbox Dollars, Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, Lifepoints, and MyPoints. I did some research before recording this video, and I found that these 5 were consistently being recommended as the top survey websites, and so that's why I'm going with these 5. Okay, so let's get started first with
Inbox Dollars.
I am on the website here, and we can see immediately that it's saying that I get a $5 sign up bonus. So I don't want to use my real email for these survey websites. So I'm going to make a new email and only use it for basically this video. Okay, so the weirdest thing has happened, guys. I've tried signing up with 2 different fake email accounts, and both times Inbox Dollars said that this account has been banned from their website. So I think that they're probably on to me somehow. I don't really know. So I guess we'll just have to move on to the next one, which is Survey Junkie. There we go. So congratulations for signing up. You received 25 points. I looked it up, and each point is worth 1 penny on Survey Junkie. So it looks like Survey Junkie has given me a list of surveys here that I can start taking, and ideally I want to go with surveys that have the highest reward for the least amount of time. That way I'm making as much money as possible. Okay guys, so as you can see, I just passed 500 points, okay? 511 points, which is equivalent to $5.11. I've been doing this for about 2 hours now. $5.11 for 2 hours worth of work makes it about $2.50 per hour. That's not the best job in the world, but I'm gonna keep on doing this anyways. I wanna go ahead and move on and transition into a different website. So let me go ahead and go to swagbucks.com. I'm gonna go ahead and sign up right here with my email, Peter Waterbed. This is crazy. There's too much information, but I guess I'm just gonna start doing stuff. I don't even know where to begin. Maybe I can watch a video perhaps. Okay, I see an ad here. That's pretty cool looking actually. What is that? Am I getting paid for this? Am I getting swag bucks for watching this? They're giving me no indication that I'm actually earning swag bucks by watching these videos. I'm not just gonna be watching these videos for free. I mean, who do they think I am? Just somebody who's taking surveys online? So I just earned 1 swag buck for about 3 minutes of my time. Save up to 90% on prescriptions. Earn 20,000 swag bucks. But the problem with that is I have to go to a different website and sign up for a service that I don't want, that I don't need. Check this out. You can buy SB. Why would anybody want to buy SB? The reason I'm coming to your website is to make money. Okay, I'm not gonna spend money on swag bucks because that's what I'm trying to earn to make money. It doesn't make any sense. Okay, so I wasn't qualified for that survey. Something that you'll find with these survey websites is that you'll start the survey and you'll spend like 5 minutes of your time answering these like pre-qualification questions, and then you don't qualify for it. And so it's just like a giant waste of time. So let's just keep on going with another survey, I guess. Okay, so I keep getting declined or rejected for surveys on Swagbucks. I don't really know why. I've only earned 23 Swagbucks, and it's been close to an hour and a half now. This is a massive waste of time. Let me see if there's anything else on swagbucks.com that I can do to try to earn some Swagbucks to make some money. You know, I guess I could play these and earn some Swagbucks, but I bet you, I'm willing to guess that I would have to pay money somewhere along the line in order to earn these Swagbucks. I'm just guessing. I could be wrong. Must install app and okay, yeah, see, that's just the thing. I have to install the app and reach a certain level to earn the reward. And let me tell you what's gonna happen. I'm gonna install the app, I'm gonna spend an hour playing the game, and then once I get to a certain level, there's gonna be a paywall. I have to pay money to keep on going, and guess what? The level that I have to reach to earn these swag bucks is gonna be the level that I have to pay for to get to. So no, I'm not falling for that. Didn't earn a lot of money on swag bucks. So far, this has been the worst survey website. Within 2 hours on Swagbucks, I earned a total of 38 Swagbucks, which is equivalent to 38 cents, and I went ahead and donated 35 cents to various charities. So I can feel good about that at least. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next survey website, which happens to be Lifepoints.com. So let's see what Lifepoints has to offer. This dashboard looks a lot cleaner than Swagbucks, I'm not gonna lie. So let's just hope I can actually earn some money using this survey website, unlike Swagbucks. So I just completed my profiler, and I earned 10 Swagbucks and gave me that nice little gesture there. Which of the following smart speakers do you own? To be honest with you, I don't own any of them. All right, so quick poll completed. So far, I'm liking this. It's got the nice gesture there. Makes me feel good about myself for wasting my time taking surveys. I get some celebratory sparkles whenever I complete a survey. That's kind of nice, okay? Okay, so as you can see right here at the top, it says collect 530 more to redeem $5. My goal is to get at least to 530 so that I can redeem that $5. Let's see how long this takes me. I'm not gonna spend more than 2 hours on this website because I still have one more survey website to go on to. And at this point, we're quickly approaching 5 hours of time being spent so far taking surveys. I've taken 2 surveys so far, as you can see here, and both of them I was qualified for. They've both taken about 15 minutes, and I've earned 100 points each, which gives me a grand total of 222 points. So like I said, the goal is to get to 550 points, and wait a second. You've answered all of today's surveys. That's unfortunate, so I can't keep taking surveys. I guess they limit the surveys you can take. Well, I guess I'm gonna count that anyways. I'm gonna count those 200 points as money earned, because if you're actually doing this, then theoretically you would go back in the next day and take more surveys. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna spend my 222 life points on some charitable causes. So I'm just gonna do $2 to the Red Cross for the India relief, the COVID relief. That's that. So I guess the final website that we'll go to here is My Points. Okay, so we are in My Points. Your next gift card is just a few clicks away. This reminds me a lot of Swagbucks. Yeah, so this literally looks exactly like Swagbucks. They've got the very busy page with a lot of options. You can shop, you can go to deals, there's coupons, there's surveys, you can watch videos. Oh gosh. So I guess let's get started. Let's go to surveys and let's see how many points I get for each survey. So unlock surveys in this list by completing this 3-minute survey. All these survey websites just ask you these same exact questions, and it's kind of getting old. I'm gonna be honest with you. You know, if you were doing this full time or trying to, it's not looking good. I mean, you can see the number down below. You can see how much time I've spent on this so far. You can see how much money I've made. It's not looking good. I need at least 250 points in order to redeem a $3 gift card to Amazon or a $3 gift card to Dunkin' Donuts, which will give me one kind of nasty coffee. I got about an hour and a half left of taking surveys. I'm gonna do the full 8 hours and we'll see how much I end up making once this is all finished, okay? So let me dive into these surveys, I guess. Okay, so you might be wondering to yourself, Joshua, why do you have that weird grin on your face? Well, it's because I have reached 301 My Points, and that means that I can redeem for a gift card or something. Wait a second, hold on, that can't be right. 250 points only gets me a $1 Amazon gift card. I just spent 2 hours taking surveys. I racked up a whopping 301 points, and I get to redeem a $1 Amazon gift card. That means I just got paid a whopping 50 cents per hour. All right, well, I guess add $1 to the bottom down there, and okay, so I've done it. I've done 8 hours of doing nothing but taking surveys, answering questions for hours and hours that have no relevance to my life, my goals, my dreams, my ambitions, all for the sake of earning some money online. So how much money did I earn, you might be asking to yourself. So after 8 hours of mind-numbing survey taking, I've earned a whopping, wait for it, $8.35, and that gives me a whopping average of $1.04 earned every single hour. That is horrible. So, can you technically make money from taking surveys? Well, yes, I guess you technically can. Now, is it worth it is the other question, and that answer is no, it's not worth it. You shouldn't do it. Should you believe those articles online that say taking surveys is a legit way of making money? No. Do I recommend that you spend your precious time taking surveys online? No. And do I recommend you quit your day job to become a professional survey taker? No, definitely not. So save yourself the time, because there are without a doubt better ways of making money online aside from just taking these mind-numbing surveys. Hey, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm glad that somebody was able to benefit from my suffering. If you could do me a huge favor and drop a like on the video below. Also, if you have not already subscribed, I would appreciate your support by subscribing to my channel. That would mean so much to me. Until next time, I will see you guys again. Take care.